are starting to reveal how plants have developed some astounding abilities during their evolution.
When we first discovered this, we thought it was a mistake.
Plants are aware of our presence. And they don't just compete, they also support each other and cooperate. There's more. Like something straight out of a fairy tale, plants may be talking to one another, even if they're far apart.
Plants could be communicating with each other. They certainly are not static, silent organisms that have no abilities to interact.
なんかめっちゃ喋ってると思うんですよね。私らには分からへんけど、それ聞きたいなって思ってます。
Insects were the first organisms on Earth to take to the skies. And in deploying advanced techniques, unlike those used by birds, they succeeded in adapting to all kinds of spaces.
Insect flight is absolutely extraordinary because they use unconventional aerodynamic mechanisms which aren't commonplace in modern engineering.
A larva transforming into an adult. As if they're being reborn into an entirely different creature. The magic of metamorphosis is unique to the insect world. In a world first, we've succeeded in visualizing the interior of a transforming chrysalis in video, gaining access into their extraordinary adaptive powers. New science is confirming that microorganisms have supported the evolution of all kinds of life on Earth. Plants, insects, and animals. In fact, scientific papers detail how all kinds of life on our planet depend on support from microorganisms. Microorganisms have been at the cutting edge of evolution on our planet for 4 billion years. And new research keeps showing us that microorganisms have even been creating our planet too. Research is now closing in on microorganisms which affect our bodies in extraordinary ways. Some are being used to treat diseases, and some may even alter behaviors.
We're like, wow, this is great. That lesion was largely a melt away.
There's a realm beyond what humans can see with our own eyes. Follow us as we unmask this extraordinary world. Having accomplished the most challenging of adaptations, we'll be taking a fresh look into the evolutionary story of insects. Scientists now believe that their remarkable powers may have even heavily influenced the evolution of life on Earth, including our very own evolution.
生き物の進化史を見ると、どんな生き物の体の中にもあらゆる環境にも微生物はあまねく存在していて、もう無視できないというか、すごい甚大な影響を与えている。もうどこから手をつけていいかわからないぐらいのフロントであるということですね。